this Judy Times video on hot rollers? Have you ever seen her video on hot rollers?
Hey guys, so we are at our Nigerian Independence Gala night here in Canton, Ohio.
Okay. But you hear I said everyone watches Judy's Time video on, you know those little like prong. That's what it came with, but I don't have time for that. I just clip and go.
So we are. Inky and I just got here. The event doesn't start for a couple hours, but we came to help mommy start getting ready. And yeah, Inky's still doing her hair. I had eye problems.
Is it white?
Inky's getting her hot rollers ready so she can. Oh yeah, so people were asking me what hair Inky was wearing because she wore this in the beginning of the New York vlog, and she's wearing the Glamour House of Hair blowout texture.
Yes. It's very nice. I just need to style it. I want to show it after we style. Yeah, and this is, you know, my what do I call this? My signature wig. Yeah. So it's very easy blending. I have very little hair out.
Inky is completely natural, like Nigerian nappy natural, and she's able to get her edges out to be like this.
Yeah, but I just blew out this front part. Very easy. But I can put it in a high ponytail, but I didn't untwist my hair in the back. But yeah.
So these are our outfits. I wore this outfit in Jersey. Yeah, I think you all seen this. I just saw it on Instagram, but it was outfit in Jersey. This was made by my tailor that usually makes all my clothes. Inky has this outfit, but hers didn't fit well, so she didn't have time to fix it. So she's wearing her outfit that she wore to a wedding in DC. So this is Inky's outfit. I won't show the shoes because she doesn't have her shoes on yet.
Yeah, don't show my shoes.
Yeah.
I made this one myself.
Yeah, Inky made her clothes herself. It's a crop top.
Let me finish doing my hair.
The crop top skirt.
Ow.
See?
Wait. Ow! That probably doesn't look right. What are you doing?
So yeah, it's a crop top skirt. So yeah.
Okay, that thing looks white. Okay.
It's almost, it's pink. That thing is it's red, and then when it turns white, it's ready. But it's kind of on the pinky side, so it's not ready yet. Give it a little bit time, okay? Okay. Mommy! Good job, guys. Good job.
More applause, come on guys, give them more applause, give it up!
boys did a good job. Good job, guys.
Yes, we did.
You didn't dance. Excuse me. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. You throw up, Junior. Good job.
Come on, me.
No. Oh, that's so tired.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Can you breathe?
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay. Can you take your mask off? You okay?
Yeah.
Man.
Are you sure?
Can the camera? No wonder you kept grabbing your head.
No. Hey guys, so this is Junior. I'm not supposed to show you who the masquerade is, but I want to show other people that aren't Nigerian to just show you the thing behind the masquerade. So good job, Junior. Say hi to y'all people. Good job, guys.
Thank you.